Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the Reaction Boost module in Telegram Expert software. To do this, click on the Reaction Boost in the left menu of the software and go to the Reaction module. Here we need to configure our module to boost reactions. The module boosts reactions on posts from both private and public channels. If you need to boost reactions on a private channel, you need to subscribe to this channel and advance through the mass subscription module using your own accounts. Here it is on the left. And then you specify the private link here. That is, here we specify the link to the posts on which we need to boost reactions. Make sure in advance that the reactions you are going to boost are available on this channel and that it is possible to place them. Take any post. Let's take this one. Copy the link to it and specify it here. Then we need to specify the number of reactions from one account to one post. Regular accounts can place one reaction on one post. If you have premium accounts, then up to 3 reactions on one post from one account. Since we have regular accounts and not premium accounts, we specify one here. Then we specify the delay between setting reactions. If you have multiple links here, this delay will be observed between setting reactions. For example, if you have multiple links and multiple reactions from one account, then the specified delay will work. Then there is a delay before the next post, which is the delay between posts from one account. If, for example, you specify 10 posts, then this delay will be between these posts. Next is the standard setting of the maximum flood waiting time. That is, if during the boost your accounts catch flood. If it exceeds the specified time here, the account will stop working. If the flood is less than the specified time, the account will wait for this time and continue working. Select our accounts. Next, you can specify to take reactions in random order. If this option is not enabled, reactions are taken in order. You can also leave groups after the boost is complete. As if the boost is for a public channel, all accounts join it before placing reactions. You can specify the number of threads for work. Let's specify the number of simultaneously working accounts. How many accounts will work simultaneously and select our reaction? You can specify several. You can select all. Let's specify one by default. If you specify several, you need a full random when delivering reactions, so accordingly, you need to enable the option to take reactions in random order. Then we launch our module. Along with the reactions, the posts also receive views equal to the number of reactions. If you set a boost for one post, for example, 10 reactions, then this post will also receive 10 views along with the 10 reactions. As we can see, the software has started executing. Since the accounts are not subscribed to our channel, they subscribe and then place the reaction. And if we had chosen the option to leave groups after the task is completed, at the end, when the accounts place the reaction, they would leave this channel. Reactions are gradually being cooled up. It may happen that in the first couple of minutes after starting the task, your Telegram cache has not yet updated the current value of reactions. So in this case, don't worry, just wait a little bit. And then all the reactions will come through. The number of threads depends on the number of your accounts and how quickly you want to increase reactions. This setting can regulate the speed of increasing reactions, as well as other values we mentioned here, especially if the increase is happening on multiple posts simultaneously or on many posts at once. If you start increasing reactions on the same posts that you have already used these accounts for, then the reactions will change, meaning the same accounts will give a different reaction. For example, you initially specified to increase this reaction on this post that we have, and then after some time, from the same accounts, you put this other reaction. For example, then the old one will be removed as you are using the same accounts, and the new one will be added. And as I already said, if you want to increase reactions on posts from a private channel, you need to first subscribe to this channel from your accounts through the mass subscription module and also specify links to the posts. But they should be private and then start increasing reactions. That's it, our increase is completed, as we can see. We had 30 accounts in operation and 30 reactions were placed. There is nothing difficult about it, but if you are going to use mass increase of reactions, I recommend testing it on a small quantity first to understand. For example, if you are satisfied with the randomness. If, for example, you choose several reactions and check the box to take reactions in random order, then accordingly, test it on a small quantity to understand if you are satisfied with this randomness. This is most often used when, for example, positive or negative reactions are increased. Several positive reactions are specified, for example, and the increase is done, so there is nothing difficult here. All reactions are in place. Views are pulled up slightly longer because it depends on the Telegram cache. But if we, for example, switch, we will see that the views have appeared as well. That is, 30 reactions from our accounts and 31 views, which are 30 views from our accounts and 1 view from the account I am currently showing you. So there is nothing difficult. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.